Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add local printer in your Windows 11 laptop. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward how you can do it. Go here to bottom on Windows, right click and click settings. Then what you want to do is just like simply click here Bluetooth and devices and click printers and scanners. And then you can simply remove, or what you can do is to simply add a device and it will be automatically found here. So that's pretty much it how you do it. You can add manually the printer or automatically if it's going to be directly connected to your Windows 11 laptop. It's a Wi-Fi or something, you can simply add it manually if you want to. And if it's going to be by name, using IP address or Bluetooth, completely up to you. So yep. If this video was helpful, write it down below in the comments. And this is how you can add local printer in Windows 11, or how you can add local printer in Windows 11 laptop. Goodbye.